Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the Cloud Console and launching Cloud Shell. This gives you a ready Linux environment with credentials. Once done, accept provisioning and allocate the 1 GB persistent home so your scripts persist across sessions. Make sure the default project is set correctly because commands run against it. You'll see a terminal pop up. Use basic commands like ls and pwd to verify. This step gets you straight into a safe, authenticated workspace ready for cloud tasks. You now authenticate and configure the environment so tools act on your resources. Run gcloud auth login or rely on the built-in session token. Once authorized, set the active project with gcloud config, set project ID, and verify with gcloud config list. Make sure required SDK components are installed. Install missing pieces and run gcloud components update to keep tools current. This ensures commands deploy to the right project, and you avoid permission surprises during deployments, or you complete actions like running scripts, deploying resources, or accessing clusters. For example, use gcloud run deploy or kubectl apply. Save important work in $home so it persists, and push to cloud source repositories or a Git remote for versioning. If a command fails, check IAM roles, the active project, and region settings. These are common causes. If credentials seem stale, run gcloud auth login again or refresh the session. This final sweep helps finish tasks reliably and recover from routine errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.